Hello viewers, how to create your own custom AI bots in Google Gemini. Want to supercharge your productivity or learning with your very own AI bot? In today's video, I will show you how to create custom AI bots or gems using Google Gemini platform. Let's get started. So what exactly are gems? Gems are like personalized versions of Gemini AI bot. Each gym is programmed with its own unique instruction and rules. Whether you need help simplifying complex concepts, improving your coding skills, or even recommending your next movie, gyms have you covered. To start creating your own gym, you will need to log in to Gemini web app. From the main menu, click on the gym manager on the left hand side. If the menu is not visible, click on the three lines at the top left to reveal it. Here you will see a selection of pre-made gyms. These cover topics like coding, writing, and career advice. Feel free to explore these or even duplicate one to customize it. Ready to create your own? Click New Gym in the Gym Manager. Start by giving your gym a name. Then write down specific instruction for your gym. For example, tell it what topics to focus on, what tone to use, and even what to avoid. You can upload your own documents to the knowledge field. For instance, if you want a gym that is an expert on DNA, you can upload scientific papers on this topic. This custom knowledge works alongside Gemini's general AI training. Once you have added instruction and any reference documents, it is time to test. Use the input box on the right to chat with your gym and see how it responds. Tweak the instruction if necessary. When you are satisfied, click Save. Congratulations, your custom gym is ready to use. To start chatting with your gym, head back to the gym manager on the web app or use the Gemini mobile app. Make sure the right gym is selected before you begin. And that is how you create your own custom AI bot with Google Gemini. These gyms are powerful tool for tailoring AI to your exact needs. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of gyms you would create. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video.